When we had started thinking of this project, we didn't have we didn't have a theme in mind, but we had genres. Like, I wanted to work with drama as much as possible, but also keep a small twist of a trailer in that, which I always like to do. Firstly, I think working with so many characters, because I have not worked with more than 2 or 3 characters till now. And over here, I was dealing with characters from every age group, from a baby to a 15-year-old to a 25-year-old to a 40-year-old woman, and which was going to take a lot of efforts from my side. It wasn't just that I go and tell them that you're supposed to do this and I leave the actors to their part, because I really needed some emotions out of them. So I had to sit with them for a lot of time, talk it out with them, which I've not done much in my previous films, because I have let the actors do what they wanted in my previous films. My camera used to work according to my actors, but this time I've tried getting both of them in a sync.
OTS में फिर ये करेगा
कट अलग लेना पड़ेगा if there's an action इधर
नहीं if Nupura comes here you stay on him that time
तो ऐसे क्यों लेके आ रहे हैं ऐसे सीधा ही खड़ा है
writing the dialogues and those conversations त्यांच्यात जे काही होतंय ते लिहिताना एकतर प्लस फर्स्ट थिंग ते सगळ्या स्त्रिया होत्या त्यांचं काहीतरी मी लिहितोय 2 पिरियड्स 15 वर्षांपूर्वीचा आणि आत्ताचा हे सगळे एका मिडल क्लास फॅमिलीतले एका साध्या पुण्यातल्या मराठी घरामध्ये जे काही होऊ शकतं अशी असं ते घर आहे. त्याच्यात जे छवी आणि नेहाचं कॅरेक्टर आहे यांची ह्या दोघी बहिणी त्यांच्यातलं कसं नातं असेल, त्यांचे आईवडील खूपच आधी गेलेले आहेत आणि छवी नेहा ही छवीची म्हणजे मोठी बहीण आणि तीच घर सगळं सांभाळते, त्यांचं काय रिलेशनशिप असेल. नंतर छवीच्या आयुष्यामध्ये जे काही टर्मोइल होतं आणि जे काही खूपच ओव्हर द टॉप ड्रॅमॅटिक होतात इन्सिडेन्सेस त्या प्रत्यक्षात होऊ शकतात, पण त्या एक फिल्ममध्ये दाखवताना त्या बिलिव्हेबल करणे आणि त्या कॅरेक्टरचं मोटिव्ह तसं जस्टिफाय करणे हे एक चॅलेंज राहतं. तर हे लिहिताना मला एक म्हणजे दिसायला तसं सिम्पल होतं हे वरवर बघता की काय हां सोपे सीन्स आहेत आणि डायलॉग्स पण तसे खूप जास्त अशी व्हर्बॉस काही अशी फिल्म नाही आहे ही, त्यातल्या त्यात नॉर्मल म्हणजे कॉन्व्हर्सेशन छोटे छोटे वाक्यांमधनं येणार आहे ते. तर ते वरवर बघता सोपं वाटत होतं पण ते खूप जास्त चॅलेंजिंग झालं. एकतर ही म्हणजे लिहिताना एक मोठा ट्रॅप काय होता, जेव्हा छान छान जे गुडी गुडी सीन्स होत आहेत त्याच्या करताना आपल्याकडे याच्यात क्लिशेड होण्याचा खूप मोठा धोका होता की म्हणजे हां तू असं केलं, जे क्लिशेड होण्याचा खूपच जास्त मोठा धोका होता डायलॉग्स लिहिताना. त्याला ब्रेक करण्याचा प्रयत्न खूप तो कॉन्शियसली केला गेला, त्याच्यामुळे वरवर बघता साधे त्याचे खूप ड्राफ्ट्स मला रायटिंगचे करावे लागले. म्हणजे काहीतरी खूप जास्त असं काहीतरी हा कंटेंट आहे, त्याला जर एका शब्दामध्ये किंवा एका वाक्यात मी टाकू शकतोय तर ते काय वाक्य असेल, त्याचं काय मी त्याचं कसं आणू ते ती इमोशन आणि ती सिनेमॅटिक पण ॲट द सेम टाईम झाली पाहिजे. हे एक दॅट वॉज अ चॅलेंज फॉर मी. मग त्याच्याविषयी खूप जास्त मोरेशी आणि खूप जास्त मीटिंग झाल्या आमच्या.
स्वतः सगळं सोडून आईबाबांची उणीव जाणू देखील दिली नाहीस मला. मीच त्याच्या लायक नव्हते. माझी मुलगी माझं सर्वस्व आहे, तिला तुझ्याकडे सोपवते.
So the first time when we started ideating this film, सबसे पहले विराज came to me and we discussed कि we have to shoot a period film, that too in a short film format. So that itself was very challenging कि how do you shoot 2 different periods with whatever resources, little amount of money and all that we had. So that was the most challenging, and then we decided that we'll shoot the film in color entirely. So that itself is a big problem. So the costumes and the you know the curtains and the walls and all that, we had to look into all of that. Is it looking fine? And we tried to do the best color matching possible that we could do with the resources. That was fun. I mean, in the visual design, we just wanted to see. I mean, we went for a handheld approach because the more time you give to set up a tripod or a trolley or and all that, so what we would not have taken as many shots एक तो the film has a lot of content that's supposed to be shown.
We were supposed to shoot from 27th of Feb. उसके एक हफ्ते पहले I had gone to Goa. So I just reached one day earlier the shoot. And I went to him, I spoke to him at that night. He told me what is to be done, how we are going to do, what all the locations. We had planned that before, and I was in contact through email also. So the day we came to the location, we had to do all the setup, cleaning of the room, putting all the props in place. Plus it was, the story had two different time zones. One was in the 1990s and the other in the contemporary world. So changing both the sets simultaneously was pretty challenging.
धरून ठेवण्यात येते त्याच्या बाजूचं थोडं मेंढ वितळू दे मग असं धरून बस पेटली का इट सक्सेड आय थिंक
And this time he wanted to kind of do something which was a blend of his forte, which is thriller and mystery and things like that. He's a very evil person, so he likes putting in those elements into his film, but he also wanted to keep it realistic.
And the most challenging sequence that I think we shot was the killing sequence. That was the most fun, because to light that also was a new experience, because we wanted to show that dark night ambience with just a little bit of ambient and moonlight coming in, and we were trying to do a spooky scene where one of the main characters gets killed. So we wanted to give that cinematic feel to that, so we had a Steadicam on that day. So the main approach, what we realized was that we had to take a lot of takes, because we hadn't worked with Steadicams before ज़्यादा. So we took like different magnification के different takes from behind, different magnification के different type of movements, and a lot of variety. That was a lot of fun. Lighting that was also fun. We used the maximum amount of lights in that. At least 4 or 5 lights were on at the same time. I think one more challenge that we had was that Nupura was hitting Tushar in the story, and Nupura was just not able to hit Tushar, and that wasn't possible. We wanted to make it realistic.
This time we tried to mellow down the mood, tried to get it into our own households, the Maharashtrian household as such, because this film is Marathi in the end. And I take this decision every time because my actors are very comfortable talking in their mother tongue. Neha is the only character who sees both the lives and has decided to leave everything and take care of them. So getting that emotion out of a character, of a mother, a sister, I feel Prajakta's eyes could do a lot. They're huge, they're big, and you can portray a lot of emotions through that. So I tried using those eyes as much as possible. Nupura was the most difficult because the film rotates around her, Chavi. And Gargi, that is Naina. I think that female, being a small girl actually, she had to think a lot getting those emotions out, because to portray that your mom, the person you're living with, is not your mother for the past 15 years, and you get to know that your actual mother has just left the house and gone somewhere. So getting those emotions out, reading those letters given by Chavi, trying to visualize how Neha has taken care of her.
No, I knew Viraj from before, but when he told me the basic story, there was something really nice about it which you can connect to. Naina's character was a very complex one because she was at that teenage age where everything is very confusing, sort of the age I am in right now. So she had a very complex character, and the basic truth of her life she realizes is not true. So it was quite difficult, but Viraj helped a lot. He used to sit with me before the scene and talk me through it, which helped a lot. Your whole life crumbles down because of one thing and how you come out of it. That is basically what Naina is. So I did it for the character. Even though it was a student film, it was really well managed. I mean, I've done student films for FTI and stuff, but their time management is horrible. But this seemed very well managed.
Talking of characters, if I look at, for example, Chavi as a character, when I started out on it, I wanted it, like, I knew in my head that she's this bubbly, energetic, fresh girl with this raw energy within her.
Anyway, म्हणते अंकल जैसी नाम क्यों sing it? नाही विशाल it's your song, you sing it. परत म्हणते बेबी बेबी खूप गोड आहे ती. फक्त ती थोडी माकडासारखी दिसते.
And I wanted her character to transition towards the end of the film into a mature, independent woman who has taken certain decisions looking at certain circumstances.
There were elements where we were using a Maruti 800, which we wanted to show a vehicle of that particular time zone. Yo! We were also handling a child actor for the first time, so that was one challenging task, because handling a child actor does take time, because we can't tell him to give a retake or whatever time we get with him, we have to shoot it in that and get it done.
So actually विराज is a brilliant storyteller. कारण त्याच्या सगळ्याच फिल्मच्या स्टोरीज खूप वेगळ्या असतात. डिरेक्शन वाईज मला असं वाटतं की ह्या वेळचं म्हणजे ह्या फिल्मचं शूट खूप ऑर्गनाइज्ड होतं जास्ती. शेड्यूलप्रमाणे खूप झालं आहे आपल्याला असं वाटतं. अजून तो बऱ्याच वेळेला पूर्ण स्क्रिप्ट एका वेळेला कधीच सांगत नाही. मी विराज आणि तुषार आणि तेव्हा असेच आम्ही वेगवेगळे ऑप्शन्स बघत होतो की नैनाच्या कॅरेक्टरसाठी कोण घेता येईल किंवा छवीच्या कॅरेक्टरसाठी कोण घेता येईल, नेहाच्या कॅरेक्टरसाठी. आणि तेव्हा विराज म्हणला की तूच का नाही करत छवी. ताई मला खूप भीती वाटते, खूप भीती वाटते मला. आणि यावेळेला अस्थिर आणि ह्या फिल्ममध्ये दोन्हीमध्ये टोटली खूपच वेगवेगळे रोल्स होते. सो मला वाटलं की मजा येईल असं करायला. पण
एक थोडंसं तुम्ही जेव्हा एखादं कॅरेक्टर करायला घेता तेव्हा साधारणतः एक कॅरेक्टर वर्क म्हणून पण असतं एक सॉर्ट ऑफ, की जेव्हा तुम्ही आता ठरवलेलं असतं की या झोनमध्ये ती काय, बरं दोन्हीकडे एक कॉमन सूत्र होतं की तिचं जे मदरली अफेक्शन आहे त्या दोघींकडे जे असणार ते दोघींकडेही सेम होतं. फक्त त्याची जागा कोणीतरी रिप्लेस केली होती. म्हणजे मी जिच्यावरती माझी बहीण म्हणून प्रेम करणं आणि जी माझी मुलगी, मी जिला मुलगी मानते तिच्यावरती प्रेम करणं, पण मदरली अफेक्शन हे कॉमन सूत्र असल्यासारखं होतं. तिचं पुन्हा 2 पिरियड्समध्ये ती काम करते, एक आधी यंगर एजमध्ये आणि मग नंतर मग ती थोडीशी मोठी झाल्यानंतर. सो ते वेगळं, ते एक मजेशीर असतं. खूप जास्त करत असताना सुद्धा खूप जास्त मजा येते त्या सगळ्या ॲज अ ॲक्टर म्हणून. पण
So each one has their own story, has their own character, has their own subplot within the film, and all of these come together at one climax point. So while writing each character, I looked at it from that character's point of view. So while writing Chavi's bit, I became Chavi myself, literally in the sense of the word. While writing Neha's bit, I was Neha for that period of time. And
I remember when Viraj got a call that there's no electricity at the location. There were 4 of us. It was me, Viraj, Manali and Siddharth, just roaming around on a footpath. Everyone is blank. We don't know what to do, how we're going to proceed. It was the 3rd day of the shoot and we had actors they were who were going to come on specific dates, and we started thinking, started focusing on so many events that what can be done, what exactly can we do at this particular point of time. And I think coming out of that particular situation and shooting again, at a different location with the actors, was, I guess we were pretty successful doing that, and I think we actually did a good job.
As an engineering student, I got to see many things. I have learned many things. First day setup का था, हम लोग उधर गए थे, नकिया का घर था वो, और वहाँ पे घर बहुत दिनों से बंद पड़ा था, इसलिए फिर उसको साफ़ करने का था. हम लोग सब इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स वगैरह सब लेके गए थे.
See, as an experience, it was in both ways. I'm not saying it was bad, but it was tough because they're professional actors. You have to keep your time with them. It's not our usual college shoot that we can shift it if not today. We have to shift it tomorrow. You have dates, you have money to pay. So this is the first time I was doing all that, and there were times that we actually had to ask people that can we shift the shoot, but you have to understand that they have also managed a lot and got you dates because they like your script. You went to them, they have not come to you to act. So you also have to keep all this in mind. They have some more experience than what I had, so taking their inputs in acting, telling them what I feel about that, discussing their inputs every time we spoke before the scene was really important, because it helped me a lot as a director, that you can look at the scene from this point of view also. It was fun directing them, and I think they've done a good job for me. So now let's see what people think about it.